Question number 1. How many types of cell signaling are there? Correct answer is option C. There are 3 types of signaling. Question number 2. In which type of signaling the cell that express messenger molecules also produce receptor? Answer is autocrine. In autocrine signaling, cell express messenger molecules and also produce receptor. Question number 3. Cell signaling is a process by which cell communicate. Answer is true. Cell signaling is a process by which cell communicate. Question number 4. Paracrine messenger molecules are usually large, stable, unstable, amphoteric. Correct answer is option C. Unstable. Paracrine messenger molecules are usually unstable. Question number 5. Endocrine messenger are also called hormones, receptor, antibody, antigen. Answer is option A. Hormones. Question number 6. The primary messenger molecules bind to the transmembrane receptor. Answer is true. Question number 7. Protein kinase and phosphatase act by altering dash of signaling proteins. Basicity, conformation, acidity, size. Answer is option B. Conformation. Question number 8. To which of the following residue of the protein kinase do not add phosphate group? Serine, cytosine, threonine, tyrosine. Correct answer is option B. Cytosine. Question number 9. The process by which extracellular message translates into intracellular change is termed as cell signaling, cell adhesion, cell transduction, cell transformation. Answer is option C. Signal transduction. Question number 10. Steroids are derived from estrogen, cholesterol, protein, carbohydrate. Answer is option B. Steroids are derived from cholesterol. Question number 11. G protein couple receptor contain dash transmembrane alpha helix. Answer is option C. 7 transmembrane. Question 12. G protein couple receptor are referred to as 7 transmembrane receptor. Answer is true. Question number 13. The G protein couple receptor have their dash outside the cell. Amino terminus, carboxyl terminus, alpha helix, beta helix. Answer E. Amino terminus. Question 14. On the cytoplasmic site of GPCR, the G proteins bind to amino terminus, promoter region, second loop, third loop. Answer is option D. Third loop. Question 50. Which of the following is a stimulus for rhodopsin? Light, acidic pH, basic pH, neurotoxin. Answer is option A. Light. 60. The inactive conformation of G protein couple receptor is stabilized by covalent interaction, hydrogen binding, non-covalent interaction, ionic interaction. Correct answer is option C. Non-covalent interaction. Question number 17. The G protein binds only to cytosine, guanine, thymine, adenine. Answer is option B. Guanine. 18. Desensitization is a process of blocking receptor from turning on G protein, transcription factor, promoter, activator. Answer is option A. G protein. 19. Arrestin compete with dash for binding with G protein couple receptor. Effector, primary messenger, secondary messenger, G protein. Answer is D. G protein. 20. Adenoma is caused by the oversecretion of arrestin, rhodopsin, kinetin, thyroid hormone. Correct answer is option D. Thyroid hormone. Question number 21. The cholera toxin produced by Vibrio cholera except its effect by modify G protein, modify primary messenger, modify effector, modify receptor. Answer is option A. Modify G protein. 22. Epinephrine cause an increase in blood glucose level, surface receptor, rhodopsin pigment, mast cell. Answer is blood glucose level. 23. The protein tyrosine kinase phosphorylate the dash residue adenine, cytosine, tyrosine, chymotrypsin. Answer is option C, tyrosine. 24. How many types of protein tyrosine kinase are there? Answer is B. 2 types of protein tyrosine kinase. Question number 25. When the level of glucose drop, alpha cell in the pancreas secrete glucose, glucagon, starch, pancreatic fluid. Answer is option B. Glucagon. 26. Which cells release insulin when glucose level elevate in the body? Zeta cell, alpha cell, gamma cell, beta cell. Answer is beta cell. 27. Which of the following synthesis decrease or stop when the blood glucose level are high? Gluconeogenesis, triglyceride, glycogen, glucagon. Answer is option A, gluconeogenesis. 28. Diabetes mellitus is caused by defect in insulin signaling. Correct answer is option A, true. 29. Diabetes mellitus type 2 is caused due to inability to produce insulin, insulin resistance, low glucose level, low lactose level. Answer is option B, insulin resistance. 30. How many subunits does the Res protein contain? Answer is option A, 1. 31. The ETR1 gene in plant encodes for ethylene gas receptor, hydrogen sulfide receptor. Answer is option A, ethylene gas. 32. Calcium acts as an intracellular messenger. Answer is true. 33. Fura2 is an example of fluorescent molecule, cell sulfate receptor, cell surface antigen, oncogen. Answer is option A, fluorescent molecule. 34. How many types of calcium ion channels are present in ER membrane? Answer is option B, 2. 35. Which ion activates cyclin dependent kinase following fertilization? Calcium, magnesium, Fe3H+. Correct answer is option A, calcium. 36. Which of the following is a calcium binding protein? Cyclin, calmodium, rennin, kinetin. Answer is option B, calmodium. 37. Calmodium has low affinity for magnesium ion, iodine, non-stimulated cell, stimulated cell. Answer is non-stimulated cell. 38. Cyclic AMP can inhibit the growth of cell. Answer is option A, true. 39. CRBE is a transcription factor, primary messenger, secondary messenger, surface receptor. Answer is transcription factor. 40. Nitric oxide is an intracellular messenger. Answer is true.